News now from Hyderabad, and a high-level interdisciplinary probe of officers. In fact, officers has been appointed from 6 different departments. This committee has been set up to probe the Hyderabad fire, in which 17 people died. It was Hyderabad's worst fire. It took place at the Gulzar House in Old City on Sunday, May 18th. Remember, all 17 were of one family, and there have been lots of questions as to how such a terrible fire broke out and nothing could be done to save the family members. Now this 6-member committee from various departments has been set up to probe this fire and recommend ways as how it could have been prevented. NDTV's Uma Sudhir with this report.
6 senior officers that will include the GHMC Commissioner, Hyderabad Collector, Hyderabad Police Commissioner, Hydra Commissioner, as well as the DG of Fire Services, Nagi Reddy, and also the 6th person is the CMD of the Telangana State Power Distribution Company. All of them are going to be part of this probe because multiple angles need to be probed. One, that short circuit has been suspected to be the reason why the fire started, but some electricity officials have in fact said that short circuit may not have been the reason because he found many wires intact, and he has also said that it could be the blast in the air conditioner that had actually initially caused the fire, though some police officials at the spot said the watchman had reported that the first fire had come out of an electric box that was placed in the ground floor. The second part of it is to look into the reasons why the fire happened. After that, there is some kind of a material that was found, oil, we are told, inflammable material that was found inside, and that is being probed by other experts as well. ONGC has also been called in yesterday, in fact, because there was still a lot of heat inside the building, and there are also questions about the structural stability of the building, and therefore the investigators were not sent in such numbers so that no one's safety is in that sense compromised. KT Ramarao, BRS leader who had participated in the condolence meeting, had blamed criminal negligence on the part of the government. He alleged that there was criminal negligence, and he said that the fire extinguishers had not had, or the fire engines had not had adequate water, and he also claimed that there were no oxygen masks in the ambulances, both of which has been rebutted by the fire department, which said that the first of their ambulances reached at 6:20 itself and not 1.5 hours later as he claimed, and that all the fire engines were equipped with all the water that was necessary or that was to their capacity. The health director has also said that the first ambulance had taken away the patients and reached the hospital by 6:30, and that there were 8 ambulances that were deployed, and all of them had oxygen masks present in them. The community per se, after the condolence meeting, had a kind of discussions, after which they decided they'll form a safety committee that will not only conduct fire drills and other safety exercises, but also ensure that there are fire alarms and smoke alarms present in every such establishment, because something as simple as a smoke alarm or a fire alarm that would have set off a sound that could have alerted the residents much faster and saved lives, that was absent in this particular locality.